Hello student, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is operation on numbers. Now from this video we are going to start the new subtopic which is subtraction. Okay, so subtraction up to the 7 digits with borrowing and word problems. This will we will going to look so in this subtopic. So what is exactly the subtracting? For subtracting means from any number we have to subtract, or we can say take out some another number. Okay, means that reduce with something specific number. Okay, so example, there is 100. Okay, and if we subtract 40 from the 100, so what is the balance? There is a 60. So subtraction, or we can say subtracting is a means reducing that number toward the zero, or we can say toward the integers in a negative. Okay, from the higher to the lower one, that is called subtracting. Okay, in addition we have seen that we have added that one, means we are merging something. Okay, now here we are take outing, means we are separating that one something with a quantity. That is the main reason difference we can say in addition and the subtracting. Now for subtracting there are the two major arrangements in vertical manner, as like in addition also we have seen, and another one is the horizontal, same in addition also we have seen. But here the unit to the unit, and then means every digit from unit place to the unit place, that has to be keep it. But in addition we are carrying that digit, we are keeping in mind, means after the addition, if suppose unit place digit comes, that we are keeping, and another tens digit we are keeping in mind, and that added in a next places, that one. But here while subtracting small digit and the bigger digit, we can say from the small digit we cannot subtract the bigger digit. That time we are to borrowing. Okay, borrowing means what exactly? Borrowing means we are saying for temporary basis we are lending something. Okay, we are take outing something from the higher places, not from the lower place. Okay, higher place, because they have that potentiality like that one. So that main difference is there, borrowing. Okay, so what exactly the borrowing? So that we will see. Now here as I told, horizontal position and the vertical position also. So main is the while take outing the subtracting, main is the, please read the, or we can say write the numbers very carefully. Okay, don't make it numbers writing any mistakes. Okay, otherwise your places will be different when, means in a digit wise, means instead of the particularly writing the digit on particularly value place value, you will write somewhere else, so that time your answer will getting something different. So that is a one common mistake. And another common mistake is the borrowing number, means student are missing, or we can say wrongly taking the borrowing. So these are the two mistakes in subtracting. So these are the two typical for understanding purpose. Two examples I had, same example I have taken, but in two methods. Okay, this is a vertical one and this is horizontal one. So I think from these two methods you will understand what exactly the subtracting process. Okay, so step by step we will learn this one. So please listen carefully and watch carefully. Now this is a number 75,301 minus, or we can say subtract with 17,706. This number is 75,301 minus, or we can say subtract 17,706. Now we will go unit by unit as like a addition, but here the main keeping at 1 minus 6 cannot be happen. Okay, so what we will do, we will take from here tens. Okay, so tens we will add here. Okay, means instead of this one, so this tens plus this one 11 comes, so we will cut this one and we will take 11 here. Now here 0 is there, but here can any tens here to go give it this one? No. So this will take the tens from here. Okay, means here instead of the 3, that will comes the 2. Okay, so now we will come to here. Now 11 minus 6, that comes the 5. Okay, now here the 0, but 0 can 0 minus 0, okay, that cannot be happen. Okay, so we already taken this one, so 0 minus 0, but already we are taken this 0 to here. So now here instead of this, means 10 we already taken from here, 10. So 10 plus 0, it comes the 10. So 10 minus 0 not up, means 10 we cannot, but we already given this 10. So instead of this 10, 1 we will subtract it, means now this will becomes the 9. Okay, so 9 minus 0, it comes the 9. Now here the 2 is there, so 2 minus 7 can be happen, no. So we will comes the 10 borrowing from this to this. So instead of this 3, or we can say 2, it comes the 12 now. So 12 minus 7, now 12 minus 7, it comes the 5, and this 5 will comes the 4 here, because 10 we will take out. While 10 we here take out only that digit and this one to added this 10, only these two digit are considered. Likewise here also this 1 and this 0, only these two digit are considered, means this unit and this tens consider. For while 0, subtract from 0 and this 0, 10 to 10, we are considering this one tens and this one unit, like this one. Okay, so here 4 minus 7 happen, no. So we will take out again one borrowing here. So instead of 7, it comes the 6. Now here 4 and this take out 10. So 10 plus 4, it comes the 14. So 14 minus 7, so it comes the 7. So after this one, 6 minus 1 possible? Yes, possible. If not, then we will take out the 10, but there is nothing is there. Okay, that case that will comes the minus 1. But now in this case 6 minus 1 happen, so 6 minus 1, 5. So 5 answer. Now after this one we will check cross tally, means what happen, this bigger number, after this one we are subtracting, and then this total we get it. Okay, okay, or we can say answer. So now whatever the subtracted, okay, that and this answer, if we added these two, we get this number for cross tally. This type of the also examples also sometimes you will face. So 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 come here 1, so that 1 carry plus 9, it comes the 10. So here 0 plus 1 carry, so 1 that carry plus 5, 6 plus 7, 13. So 13, 3 here, 1 carry here. So now 1 carry plus this 7, 8, 8 plus this 7, 15. So 5 here, 1 carry here. So that 1 carry plus 1, 2 plus this 5, 7. So 7 here. Means this our answer is correct one. Okay. Means like this one, the step by step we have take out the borrowing. Now in this horizontal arrangement, the same thing, but only concentrate on the unit to the unit. Okay, now here vertical manner you can understand below one another below. Okay, so that's why there is no need to concentrate on the places, but here horizontal position means we have to concentrate that this is a from which place and this is a from which place, like this one. Now at the last 1 minus 6 happen, no, so it will come the 11. Now borrowing 10 here. Okay, so 10 plus this one, 11 come, but here is there any 10 available? No, so it will take the tens from here. Okay, so 10 plus 0, it comes the now here the 10. Okay, and it will comes the, instead of the 3, it will comes the 2. Okay, so let it be as it is here. Now we will subtracting 11 minus 6, here the 5 comes, like this one. So now this 10 is there, but we already take out this one here, so that we have to, and after the, before that one we have already given this 10 to here. So 10 minus 1, okay, here the 9 comes. Why this 1 is subtracted? Because while considering these two numbers, this is tens and this is units, so means 1 subtracting means 1 tens we have given. Okay, so now 9 minus 0, it comes the 9. Okay, now come to the here 2 minus 7 can happen, no, so we will adding this 10 here. Okay, so 10 plus this 2 means it comes the 12, and this will reduces by the 1, so it comes the 4 here. Now 12 minus this 7, so it comes the 5. Okay, so now after this one, this 4 minus 7 can happen, no, so again we will take out this tens, 1 tens we can say. Okay, 1 tens, so this comes the 6, and this 4 plus 10, so it comes the 14. So 14 minus 7, so here the 7, and now at the last 6 minus 1 can happen, yes, so that's the here 5, like this one. So we have to understand and we have to remember the places, or we can say the positions. Okay, here the units, here also unit, here tens, here also tens, like this one respective. Okay, So method is same for the borrowing, but the here in horizontal manner, or we can say horizontal arrangement, the numbers places we have to recognize, or we have to concentrate. We should not be forget about the proper numbering. Okay, so this is a most probably method in horizontal arrangement we have to do, and we have to make most and most practice to make more and more practice for this horizontal arrangement. Now through the examples we are going to learn this subtraction. Okay, so subtracting, this topic is very simple, like or we can say opposite to the additions. Okay, means subtracting means removing something, but we taking the borrowing. Okay, last in addition we are giving one, but now here we are borrowing, like this is the, we can say, the opposite reaction. Okay, now question number 1, here 45,291 minus 32,090, okay, is equal to how much? It's very simple. Now here 1 minus 0, so here 1 comes. Now here 9 minus 9, 0 comes. Then here the 2 minus 0, so 2 comes. Now 5 minus 2, 3, and this 4 minus 3, 1. So this is mentioned in option number 4. Now, question number 2. Which number should be subtracted from? So, from, we have to this number, we have to subtract an unknown number, and the answer will get this one. So, that number we have to subtract, we can say find out. Okay. So, always remember, so suppose there is 100. Okay, 100 minus 40, we get the 60. Likewise, 100 minus 60, we get 40, like this one. So if any number, we are unknown number, we are subtracted and we get this number, so if we subtract this number from this 100, we get this number also. So means in the same manner, this number minus this number, we will get that subtracted number. So this 9 minus 9, 0, so I just note down here 0. Then this 2 minus 0, 2 here. Then 5 minus 0, then 5 comes. After this 9 minus this 0, 9 comes. After this one 8 minus 1, 7, and then 3 minus 1, 2. So this is a 2,79,520. Okay, so option number 1. Now question number 3. Out of the following, which subtraction gives the answer? Okay, so there are the 4 options with the different subtracting numbers are shown. So we have to find out these answers comes from which subtracting example from the option. So we will check for the one. So 2 minus 9 can happen, no, so it comes the 12, and this comes the 2. So 12, 2, so 12 minus 9, 3 comes. Okay, so at the unit place 3 is there, no, here the 7, so we will not check further. So this option is not our correct answers. So now this 1 minus 4, so 1 means here the 11, and this 5 comes the 4. So 11 minus 4, so it comes the 7. Okay, at the unit place also 7, so we will check further. So 4 minus 2 can happen, yes, so 4 minus 2, 2 is there, here also 2. Now 9 minus this 8, 1. After this one 8 minus 9 can happen, no, so it comes the 18, and then this comes the 6. So 18 minus 9, so 9 will comes here. After this one 6, so 6 minus 0 can happen, yes, 6 as it is, and this 9 minus 1, 8 as it is. Okay, so it comes the 80, 8 lakh 69,000, but we require 9 lakh 59,000. So it is something different. Okay, so we will check further. Now here 9 minus 2, 7, then 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, then 8 minus this 9 can happen, no, so it comes the 18, and this comes the 7. So this 18 minus 9, 9 there, this 7 minus 2, 5 is there, and then 9 as it is. Okay, so we got these same numbers, means option number 3 is the correct one, like this one. So option number 3 is the correct one.